We're going to have a couple of amazing ladies today that are going to come to the stage, and you have full access to hear their stories. There were things that I wanted to do and places I could have been that I was not. And I hope you take these opportunities seriously when you hear powerful women come to the stage and share their stories.
Part of the journey of life is to learn, and so that you can give back and utilize your superpower.
What each of you have is a gift. And once that gift is ignited, you can change the world.
This is your life. You get to dictate what it looks like. Every choice you make gets you closer to the life that you want to live on your terms.
When you go to any experience in your career, sit at the table like you belong at the table.
Surround yourself with positive people. You want to be around positive people.
Don't settle for being average, because average is as close to the bottom as it is to the top.
Every day you wake up, put your cape on. And you get prepared for the world, because I'm going to tell you, real life is tough. Wake up and be bold in your soul.
We're creating a blueprint for your success.
You are the CEO of your own life. So be intentional. Be clear about what you want. And I'll tell you one thing, it will take courage.
Really believe in yourself, because you're going to have plenty of moments where it'll be easy to question yourself, easy to back down, and you have to keep going because you're the future and we need you and we believe in you.
Change your life, change your community, change your company. You have the power. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. And you keep moving forward.
Be patient with yourself and be consistent in your pursuit of igniting your superpower. And remember that girls rule.